Yo, what's good, YouTube? Today, I have a very special treat for y'all today. Today, we will be creating our point forward in 2K25. Um, I don't really care what team I use. Let's be on Brooklyn. So I'm a point forward because my team. That's really my role to really create for my teammates, get rebounds, really get triple doubles for real. We have a point guard, but he's more like a scorer. Y'all will see him. We got a shooting guard. It's really like a lock. Then our small forward is like a offensive juggernaut. Then our big, he's gonna do a little bit of everything too. So, um, I see they got some new face scans. Maybe it's not. Maybe I'm just tripping. But it looks like some of these are new though. Again, I apologize for the lag. I am in college. I am on the college Wi-Fi. Oh, what's going on? Damn, I can't skip this. Man, what the? They put me in the game already, bruh. What's my animations? Hey, I like the movement so far. It might be early, but they seem clean. That little crossover, speed boost. I don't know how they let the Nets get to the finals, but shit. Then why they got the Nuggets in here? They didn't even make the playoffs, the finals last year. Sound like glazing to me, bro. Maybe I'm tripping. Come on, man. Then they gave me number 89. Oh, is that the new meter? Oh, I gotta test that out. Yo, look at my stats, bro. 29 points, 15 rebounds, 17 assists. Hey, that's what y'all finna see me doing in fives, whether it's direct or pro in fives or wherever we play at. Nah, I'm lying. Listen. If y'all coming here for good 2K gameplay, y'all better click off right now. And y'all might ask me, why am I playing this? Man, this is for entertainment. I think that my team think we going we're definitely an interesting team for sure. We're not the best, but we're not terrible. But it's gonna be fun to watch though for sure. We only up four. They're doubling Joker. Let me get that cut, nigga. Right back, bro. It's a good shot. It's a good shot. Okay, they got the emo. Well, same emo that emo. Hey, if y'all enjoy these videos, leave a like, man. Like, comment, subscribe. I will be posting consistently. I need to get a shot up, bro. Not that one. Right back. That's a that's a good spin. This got to be the greatest finals performance, a Game 7 performance of all time. But if they started me at in the finals, don't that mean I already did a season? Or is this not my career? Was that a dumb question? Probably. Let's get to it. Yo, I like the dribbling. Hey. Oh, we lit this year. Oh, it's over. We lit this year. That's all. He shot checking coach. Oh, they're lazy me, bro. That was a terrible layup. That's all. Did you see how high my nigga just jumped? Me make the bill, man. This might be an hour long video, but no way that was a dream, bro. I did not see the option they just gave me. I'm not gonna lie. Okay, bet. Skip. All right, let's get to it. Let's get to it for the face scan. Uh, they got arm hair and freckles, bro. That's hard. I want to say hard. It's like it's a little odd. It's a little too realistic for me. I'm not gonna lie. I'm not white, by the way. I just like to make pause, but I like to make my niggas white. Not all, really, just this build. I do it. I've done it for all 2K. I make this nigga white every time. They got wigs, okay. Um, they brought this back. This back. Hello. The back. The back is fine. All right, there's gonna be like a short like a short woman coming to get the order. You'll see her soon. Uh, your order's outside. Yeah. Well, she's somewhere. I told her that there's gonna be a short lady coming back. She's in the back. Oh my god. Hold up. I'm finna call. Sorry, y'all. I am live, by the way, at Miracle Wanga on Twitch and Kick. So y'all tune in when y'all can, for sure. Let's see. This nigga's so ugly, bro. Y'all probably don't want to see this. Y'all skip ahead in the video if y'all don't want to see all this. I'm just trying to go over everything, see what's new and all that. Face paint. Hell no. Y'all could have kept that one 2K. I usually make this nigga with no eyebrows. I ain't gonna lie. They don't like it. I got that option though. Why don't they have no eyebrows, bro? Can I just make it white? What blends in with the skin? Fuck it. I can't even see that bit. This nigga is so chopped. I think it's his mouth. Pause. You see what I'm saying? Like, why is it like? Nah, my nigga might just be ugly, bro. It is what it is. Lip color. My nigga finna be looking like Orochimaru in this bitch. Nah, this nigga is chopped. No, 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 no. I'm almost done, y'all. Teeth, I don't give a damn about the teeth. I didn't have facial hair last year, did I? I don't know. So I make them whiter. Here it is, right here. My nigga look like an alien. Alright. Pro Tune? Oh, that's what they had last year. Okay, cool, cool, cool. We're gonna create our own build. The name will be Lelouch. Yes, as in Lelouch from Code Geass. Lupin. Left-handed. And we will be rocking the 00. Alright, let's get it. Let's get it. Alright, so I will be messing around with this a little bit because I don't know what's good in this 2K and what's not. Cause really the good builds vary every single year. Like it's actually crazy. So I don't know what's gonna be good and what's not gonna be good. So, but I know If I'm gonna be a point forward, I do want a little bit of speed. So I don't want to make him too heavy, but I want to. But I also want that strength. But it doesn't look like the strength is really impacted that much. So I'm gonna keep it. I'm gonna keep it right here because the interior D don't change. Still get blocks. Still get bored. I might move it up to like. I'll move it up to 243. Right? Maybe I should leave it at 240. See. Uh, let's do 243. As far as the wingspan goes, I shoot, but I don't really need that much three. 81 3 is fine. So I'm gonna go with a 7'2" wingspan to give us that extra steal, block, and then rebounding. Let's get to the attributes. So I know they took off the stamina, and I know that they added some, right? I'm not seeing it though. I could have sworn they said that they added something, but it's whatever. For the speed, we definitely want to get an 80 at least. Agility max. Strength, give me. I'm gonna start with 85. Vertical, give me an 80. Maybe a 75. I'll come back to it. Defensive re. I want gold. Silver chase down is fine. I'll leave this at like 78. For now, for now. Uh, 82 gives me post lock. Oh, this might be a little tough. Give me an 85 pass hack. I don't need that high of a ball handle. Give me that 81. Give me that 80. I just need like a 75. Cause I'm not gonna get fouled that often. So, like I said, these are not final. These are not final. Just give me a decent driver. No, 87 is fine. Let's see these badges. Physical finisher. I don't really need that. I get box out. What gives me gold? 83. Strong handle. It's a 77. Oh, for Hall of Fame. Do I go ahead and get Hall of Fame? I might as well, huh? Yeah, let's get the Hall of Fame. Got a brick wall, movable forcer. Oh, we do need to get our perimeter defense up, obviously. Post powerhouse. That's a new one. Strengthens strengthens the player's ability at backing down defenders and moving them with drop steps. I won't be in the post that much, or I might. I don't know. I probably should get post. Like I said, I'll be toying around with this to see what I really like and what I don't like. So don't take this too literal. Raises the chances of getting a block when moving at a high speed. Okay, that's a new one. High flying denier. Slippery off, obviously. On ball man. Yeah, I know I need to improve their defense. I need to get to like a 74. Actually, let me go see something real quick. Real quick. This is not my final build. I repeat, this is not my final build. Draymond, Scotty, AK-47, to it. This is the build that I want. Like that name, the 283 level shot creator. That's what I want, but not in the way that this is. How y'all gonna give How y'all gonna give me the access to all these and then not give me them at the same time? Oh, okay. My fault. I'm slow. We could create our shots in here now. Okay. Um, bro, don't show me the locked ones, bro. Like, hold on. This is all y'all gonna give me? Oh, I was gonna say. Um, I wanna. I don't. I want to keep one that's similar to the one I had last year. I can't remember what his name was. I think it was. No, it wasn't. Gary Brown, Jalen Brown. Buffkin. I'll know it when I see it. Buzelis. Those aren't bad stats for Buzelis. Oh, is it not gonna change? Oh, I'm so fucking. I'm so slow. I'm so slow. Let me see. That's that's not a bad base. That's not a bad base at all. Is it? Nah, I played with him in 2K before. Uh, nah, I can't get down with that. This one. I'm gonna start with this one because this is what I had last year, but I might change it. I might definitely not. There's no way they give me a Ray Allen base. There's no way. I want it on release. That's cool that they added that visual cue because last year it was in the settings, so this makes it a little easier. Animation blending. I want more array. That array don't even look smooth though. Let me get some. Hold on. And before y'all clown me in the comments, this is what works for me. So all of what you seeing right here is what works for me. So before y'all get y'all panties in a bunch, if y'all want to go see some pro gameplay, go watch some pro gameplay. But this is not pro gameplay. Anywho, I'll just go with the Ray Allen for now. All of this will probably change off camera, but I just want to get into some gameplay with y'all. So yeah, give me all the. I don't even feel like doing all that. Um, I forgot about pastels. I didn't use them a lot last year, which I probably should have. Give me bronze. Let's see the jewel stuff. Mm, I got an Austin Reeves one. Fuck it. Size up. I'll just go with pro. Actually, let me. I'm kind of speeding through this, y'all. Let me let y'all see these. Fuck that. I'm sure y'all probably don't watch some other niggas already. They got the same one. Demar. Nah. Nah. Paul George. Alright, yeah, I'll fuck. Just go, bro. Aggressive. This one I'll go with Paul George. Escape. I don't remember who I had last year. Come to think of it. Was it Jason Tatum? Was this behind the back? Oh, it's not. It's the twin. Yeah, hell no. Nah. Let's try Jimmy. Let's see the pro real quick. Crossover. I like the KD crossover. No, I don't. I just told a lie. Well, the crossover that I liked last year might not work this year. Low key. I need something that's gonna get me out there, like some shifty shit. Nah, what's Kawhi? Man, I'm just trying to play, man. Man, I'll take the Jimmy. Step back. Mm, Jimmy usually has one that creates a lot of space. Come on, let me see it. Or, or is that Kawhi? I swear they be having like the most random players in this bitch. Like who would have thought Andrew Wiggins would have had a step back package? All right, so no way I gotta do all that. Okay, I was finna tweak. All right, Evan. They had it a freestyle mode. Okay, I already don't like how slow his. He's a little too slow for me, man. might be a little too slow for me. I ain't worried about the animations right now, cause I'm gonna fix that myself. And I shoot with no meter, so don't get accustomed to the meter. Hey, there it is. I like this shot. I like this shot. Come on, give me one. Oh, that's all. Oh, that's all. I don't like this meter. It's not I don't like it. I just gotta get used to it. And I like that you could fucking make whites again. Jesus Christ. Hey, 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 hey. Give me three. All right, let's get in a little game. Actually, nah. Let's edit some more. I don't know what it is, man. First and foremost, alright, these attributes again. I have to harp on this because y'all are gonna kill me in these comments. This is a build for me, and me specifically, and what works for my team. So this is not gonna be a build that is for everybody. I'm just trying to get this content out. And if y'all fuck with it and y'all want to make this build, then y'all can. But again, this is for me and my role on my team, which y'all will see later on. This is just for y'all who, when I start uploading our gameplay, if y'all want to know my build, is this build right here. And I'm not done yet, so give me 1 second. Should I get a standing dunk? I don't really need it. I won't be in the paint that much. Um, I don't really need steel like that. Let's get into an actual game so I can really see what this is talking about. Shades of me? What the fuck? What the fuck? Draymond and Scotty, I mean, they're cool. I don't know about Draymond, but Draymond ain't who I was going for. I don't know who I was going for. It damn sure wasn't Draymond. Was this the Pistons? My bad. Hold on, let me fix the camera. Oh, I can't fix the camera. Uh, like, who the fuck plays on 2K left? FaceTime. Hold on, bruh. Cause y'all ain't finna have me in this bitch making everything, bro. I'm sorry for the lag, y'all. Yo, come on, bro. It's a good block. Maybe. I like him. I ain't gonna lie. He cold, bro. Let me see some. Hurry up. That bullshit out there. Give me one. Give me one. Fast passes. He's shooting that bitch. He could dribble a little bit. And I gave him a little driving dunk. I think it's gonna be real good. I gotta see his perimeter D though for them threes, man. Jesus. I mean, this meter nice. I ain't even gonna lie. The shooting is clean too. The shooting is so much better than the beginning of last year. So much better. I gotta see him getting rebounds too. Should I put a driving? Nah, I don't need all that. I wanted to put cause last year I had a high close shot, but then I found myself not really utilizing the close shot like that. So, which I thought I would be for the threes, like when I'm playing like park or pro am threes. I thought cause obviously I'm be the big man, so. But I realized I don't really need to do that. You can see that little uh, push dribble. It's a lot more useful than last year. I will say that. That's a good take. It like the movements is so much. It feels so fluid. Like y'all can't really see because I'm lagging. I'm so sorry, but it's so fluid, bro. Oh, that's a crazy move, Luca. That's my board. I'll probably still do things to really perfect this build. So this probably isn't gonna be my final version of him. Just so I could. I'm just trying to see where he's at right now. Going off of it right now, I mean the speed's fine, dribbling's fine, passing's fine. Uh, I don't know if I want to put. He has a driving dunk, which I mean realistically, if I could post draw, actually let me see something. Okay, okay, okay. He could do a little bit. He could do everything, which is what I want. But I gotta see his interior defense, just overall defense. I can't really gauge it. Oof. I might have to raise his interior D a little bit. Come here, come here. Ooh, they changed the pick and roll. I love how fluid it feels. Like it feels less like last year. So much bullshit used to happen. Like it used to be some crazy, weird ass animations, and this year it just feels like a lot more smoother and more realistic. And it just feels like less bullshit is gonna happen this year, which I like. So yeah, I'm bullshit now. Overall, my initial thoughts, it's a cool. It's like I said, it's the defense that I'm worried about. And defense was my weakness last year, so I might just restart from the start. I know I want that same. What do I? Yeah, give me that 87. Start me at 75. 84. Max, max. Give me that 88. Give me that 80. Put me there for now. I don't need a 90. Give me that 82 for now. Give me that 75 for now. Give me that 85. Um, how do we feel about this, y'all? What do I need? I don't know what else I need, man. Versatile visionary allows high risk creative passes and alley oops to be okay. That's a new badge too. Let me go see the new badges. Flow game has been a thing. Let's paint prodigy. Improves a player's ability to quickly and efficiently score down low. Physical finisher improves a. Oh, yeah, we seen that. Flow game layup mix match. So it's like an acrobat kind of. Okay. Post phenom, post powerhouse, strengthens ability, backing down defenders. And, oh yeah, I seen that. Set shot. That's looks like that's just what's it called? Oh, I'm blanking. Claymore. To make post fades and hop steps. I do a lot of post fades, so let me increase that a little bit. Of faking out the defender while making it in the post. I'll do a 67. Defensively. What y'all think? Y'all think an 82 is fine, or should I go higher? Or should I get a higher vert? Uh, I don't know. I might get a higher vert. Shit. I'm stuck. Mm, handles for days. So I go for an 8. I don't need that high of a ball handle. Like I'm gonna be ISOing, but like not like I could ISO with a 75. Because you gotta think the people guarding me is gonna be other power forwards. So unless they making their power forward, I can't even remember. Oh, I have the picture of my old build. Come and think of I forgot I did that. I had an 80 ball handle last year. I had 85 perimeter defense. Okay, so my rebound looks like it doesn't have to be that high. And I was faster. I'm faster this year. And I only had 75 vert. Yeah. Okay, let's. All right, it's the last time. We are starting over for the last time. I promise. I still want an 88 rebound. Fight me. Block 88 for now. 75, 85. What am I doing? Okay. Then the last thing. 75. So the only problem is the post control. I need to be able to hit my post phase, y'all. That's like my bread and butter. What can I sacrifice? What can I sacrifice? None. Nothing. Cause I'm gonna need all this other shit. Let me see how you looking first. I need a 67 though. It ain't gonna make much of a difference if I play. I don't know. I don't know, bro. I don't know. I want that post phase phenom. I'm not gonna lie. 67. Cause I love like those Kobe fades or like them Bron fades or them Jordan fades. Boom, boom, boom. To the D, 85. From the D, 75. I'm tweaking. Okay. Oh shit. I'm gonna have no free throw. Nah, I can't. I can't. Oh, this is harder than I thought. Okay, some gotta go. This is my problem with 2K, bro. I be trying to make builds that could literally do any and everything. I have to stop that. Maybe I don't. Yeah, I really don't have to stop. Why should I stop? 88. I want to be able to block more shots this year. Cause last year was rough. Just so I can get that bailout. Okay. shit. Okay. What did I miss? What did I not do? Oh, I didn't put my ball handle as high, which is fine. That's fine. 76 ball handle. I'll take a 77. Uh, I could lead the perimeter D. Interior D won't get me more badges. Block. I think I'll go rebound here. Yeah. All right, y'all. That'll do it. Oh wait, I'm not done yet. All right. That'll do it, y'all. This is my point forward. Give me 1 second. This is my point forward for 2K. This is my point forward for 2K25. Yeah. Shades of Draymond and Scotty, which is fine. Should be that 2A 3-level threat. Swiss Army knife. What the fuck is a Swiss Army knife? No. No, we gotta look that up. Cause what the fuck is a Swiss Army knife, yo? Hell no. A Swiss Army knife? Hold on, bro, what is a Swiss Army knife? Like, is that good? Bro. Bro, that can't be good, bro. A Swiss Army knife? Nah, I gotta make some changes. I cannot, cause that poses no threat to the opponent whatsoever. So I gotta go. I gotta get back my 2A 3-level threat. Cause y'all be honest, if y'all see a Swiss Army knife as your matchup, are you taking him serious? 9 times out of 10, you're not. If we being real here. So let's see what we change here. But everything is good though. Like I might have to just go with a Swiss Army knife. But I really feel disrespected. I'm not even gonna lie to you. Like these niggas gave me a Swiss Army knife. A Swiss Army knife. Anyways, I'll let y'all know if I end up changing my build around, man. This is a long ass video. I'll get out y'all way. As always, like, comment, subscribe, and if y'all fuck with the build, let me know in the comments. I don't fuck with the name, but I'll show y'all one more time. This is what it is. If y'all fuck with the bill, let me know in the comments. As always, like, comment, subscribe, and we will be posting some. Wow. What am I trying to say here? I'm out, bro.